Después de partir de Jabar, la siguiente parada fue Dubrovnik, pero antes de ello quise parar en este pequeño pacífico pueblo medieval llamado Korcula. Aquí realmente hay muy poco que hacer. Es un lugar con poca población, poco turismo, eso sí, con gente sumamente amable y comida de mar deliciosa, donde pude volar el dron para ver simplemente la arquitectura desde un plano superior. Ahora en este video pueden ver que realmente no hablo a la cámara, decidí eliminar todos esos segmentos porque me doy cuenta que balbuceo y digo mucha tontería.
More than life, more than I. If not here another time when you lie, poised to the stars, sped up your heart. I'm not here to pick a fight, but we can if you like. Come and they said, come and you might be someone else for a while. And from there I tell you just how I turn the water to wine. Come and they said, come and you might put yourself by the fire. But the words don't arrive, the stars don't align. This place isn't mine. To see the whole thing is an opening, a glimpse into the world you wouldn't find. And you don't think it's happening. To see the whole thing is an opening, a glimpse into the world you tried to hide. And you won't think it's happening. See the whole thing is an opening, a glimpse into the world you wouldn't find. And you don't think it's happening.